Hello, Chef here. So I'm about to share with you the only protein smoothie that can help improve your vision. So to improve your vision, you need to get the very finest Spanish saffron right there, okay? You can get it right there, chefdepot.com, the sponsor. Just check out their saffron. It's really, really good. What do I mean by really, really good? Well, there you go. It's perfect, bright red threads, 100% stigma of the saffron flower. This is the real deal. So to use this, ideally, we're going to put a little bit of cold water into this cup right here, maybe 2 tablespoons or so. And now we take just a pinch of saffron. This is all you need right here. This 1 ounce container should last you for about a year. That's a pinch right there, and that will improve your vision. That's it. Once you put it in the water, you need to wait a few seconds or minutes and let the color start to release. You can see that. I'm going to just zoom in and stir it here, show you what I'm talking about. Yeah, just like that. Alright, I'm just going to give it a little stir with this spoon. You can see all that natural color coming out of there. That's what you're looking for. That's the good stuff. That will improve your vision. Oh yeah. Now, I'm making a protein shake with this. Starting with a stainless steel vessel. And I'm going to be peeling a banana. Whatever you got, strawberries, bananas, you name it, it's all good. The banana wasn't very big. I'm peeling another banana, a little riper too. Alright, so I got my 2 small bananas now in the vessel, and I'm gonna put some water in there. Let's see. Alright, I got the bananas in the vessel. I'm going to put about 1.5 cups of water in there. Enough to puree these bananas. And I do like the full flavor. So I'm also big on vanilla. So we'll put a little splash of vanilla in there as well. The real deal, maybe a teaspoon. Alright, I don't need any sugar because the protein powder I'm using, I'm going to have 50 grams of isolated whey protein. It's a blend. It's really, really good. Anyway, here we go with the banana. Smooth. At this point, I'm adding my protein powder. Here we go. 50 grams of protein powder. And I'm trying to get this in the camera, but at the same time I want to let you continue to see the color evolving out of this saffron. So the protein powder goes in all at once. I got 50 grams. Oh yeah, it's looking really good. I'm gonna blend it up. Yeah, just like that. It's good. It's good to go. Okay, I'm gonna move this saffron out of the way and be very careful with this. I store it in a sealed container. Storing it in the tin is good idea too. This is the real deal, the good stuff here. I really, really like it. That's why I'm doing this video for the sponsor. So now that I've got my banana protein smoothie, all of this awesome saffron goes right in all at once. Okay. It's in there. It's looking good. You can see a few threads here and there, and mostly it's disappeared. This is the only protein shake that's going to improve your vision. Show you what I got going on here. Oh yeah. Banana vanilla saffron smoothie. Oh, you can always garnish with a few extra threads of saffron right on top. Looks really nice, especially if you're going to share this with somebody. They're going to go, wow, I've never seen any saffron like that before. It's gonna be good. Yeah, look at that. Awesome color. Once again, cheers to your health. Wow, that's really, really good. Don't forget, visit the sponsor. Score the best saffron you can. Right there. It's about the best saffron on earth that I've found right there. It's gonna be good. Get cooking and have a great day. You gotta try this, and I want your eyes to be as healthy as possible. Mine have gotten better just in a few months. Oh yeah, I like it. Wow, the Jambus Cucina Elegante, handcrafted with the finest American hardwoods, food service grade stainless steel. The Elegante features 1.5-inch thick butcher block, available in several sizes and with several options. Call your sponsor and save money. Ask for a discount. Select Hard Rock Maple is the chef's choice. Choose from several sizes. With a juice groove, without the juice groove, reversible, charcuterie board, solid walnut, solid cherry. Wow, the Jambus Cucina Elegante, handcrafted with the finest American hardwoods, food service grade stainless steel. The Elegante features 1.5-inch thick butcher block, available in several sizes and with several options. Call your sponsor and save money. Ask for a discount. Blocks. Buy the best the first time. Save money. Good. Oh, on a side note, some of my videos are touching on knife safety, so I suggest, especially for the kids, you get them cooking, get the chef's stainless steel glove. With this glove on, you have full protection, no cuts, no issues. I like it, it works, and wow, it protects. That's what it's all about, safety. Yeah, made in America, made in USA, only at your sponsor right there. Yeah, check it out. Get cooking. Here's a thicker one. This is end grain rock maple. The two treatments recommended are designed for working professional chefs' kitchens. There's a reason. Mystery oil is a food-safe, ultra-pure grade mineral oil. I really like it. Yeah, it's good stuff. And that's where I get it right there. It's used in combination normally with the board cream. Board cream is a natural moisturizer which seals out the elements, and it's primarily beeswax. I get it right there. beeswax, let's see, unbleached beeswax and food grade mineral oil. So these are the two products that we use, and we apply them monthly, generously, and you're going to learn more about that in just a moment. So the mystery oil is applied in a circular motion. So you use an applicator or a plastic bag, work it in a circular motion, do this monthly, and then let it dry overnight is preferred, and you can repeat. After it dries, you warm this in a bowl of water and apply just a few small dabs, and wow, it's going to be good. That is a safe cutting board. Every knife should be paired with a butcher block throughout the kitchen. Proper maintenance should be applied every month. Finished loaves. I love butcher block. Yeah, this is end grain maple. You can see it's ready for some more oil. This is edge grain cherry. It's been oiled once and then it's been sealed at the factory. It's really, really nice. I like it. And this one here, this is edge grain maple. So different looks and different sizes, different thicknesses. Edge grain has certain applications, end grain has certain applications. They're all on sale at your sponsor right there. In stock and quick shipping, you're gonna love it. By the way, this is an authorized dealer with over 50 years of combined experience in butcher block. So I suggest you shop with the experts. Get the best the first time. That's my motto. Get the best the first time. To apply mystery oil. Give it a shake. A little bit of beeswax and mineral oil, some other good stuff in here. I like it. First application, just like this. Swirl motion. Yeah. Okay, once you got the swirl motion down, plastic bag. Why? Because it's recyclable and it's not flammable. I would not use cloth. It'll absorb too much and it becomes flammable. Oh, look at that block. Really, really nice. You can see all the hard work has paid off just with the look and the color. Oh, yeah. If you need one of these blocks, contact your sponsor. If you need the butcher block treatment, okay, I'm in the kitchen. I've got this fresh basil's looking really, really nice there. I've got a razor sharp knife. You're wondering just how sharp this is, right? Yeah. Always good to start with a very sharp knife.